Caticlan, Boracay. We care about your health and safety. To ensure that you enjoy a healthy, safe, and clean environment, we are all required to wear a face mask throughout the flight. They may be loosened or taken down only for eating and drinking, or when directed by your cabin crew. We shall also be observing a modified service during your flight. Please store your baggage in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, charging, and use of e-cigarettes are not allowed. Tampering with a lavatory smoke detector is strictly prohibited. If you are seated in an exit row, you are required by the Philippine Civil Aviation Regulation to read the passenger briefing card, also known as a safety card. If you wish to be reseated, please inform your cabin crew. Thank you for your cooperation.
And we shall climb to our cruising altitude of 25,000 feet. Weather en route, just important to be fair, we'll attain the latest weather information prior to landing at Caticlan. So at the moment, we're just waiting for the completion of our cargo loading as well as waiting for some important documents to be all set for departure. Thank you very much. Welcome aboard.
Showing the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus A320. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loosen of the strap. To loosen, to buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift the buckle and pull free and to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelts and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seat. On a water landing, remove your sharp objects from your body and slip vests over your head. Take tape around your waist and push and to buckle. Always take to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply into inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mount tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event of emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove your face mask and immediately grab the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic member is not fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or a passenger needs assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency light and path markings will lead to these exits during evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure seatbelt. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Caticlan, Boracay. The time now for your convenience is 24 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning. And the date today is Friday, 7th of January. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. May we remind you to check areas around your seat for items you might leave behind. For passengers who need assistance, please deplane last. Our cabin crew and ground staff will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Pardo and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino. Please await for order of deplaning announcement. Please be informed that we shall continue to practice physical distancing during disembarkation. Passengers in the forward section of the aircraft shall deplane first. Our crew members will guide you on our order of disembarkation. Please remain seated while waiting for your turn to disembark.